Hey guys, Alicia here. I'm so excited about this video, and it is going to be about how we can create an ombre effect on text digitally. Now, we have seen ombre effects on tumblers and things of that nature, and I thought, why not create it digitally? But before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos just like this one. Okay, so let's jump right into the video. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we need to find some sort of a shape that is jagged. And believe it or not, when you go here in iPicky.com, we've got all these different things we can choose from: geometric, basic, license, arrows, speech bubbles. And believe it or not, where I found the one I wanted to use was down here in facial hair. So if you click on this image right here, we're going to make it bigger. And I'm going to flip it over just like this. And we're just going to make it bigger. Okay, and what we are going to do with this is we are going to take the pink glitter text and we're going to completely cover this image. We're doing a pink and blue glitter effect. Okay, so we're going to hit lighten. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and save this image to my computer. And now we need to take out that white background. So I am going to jump over here to lunapic.com and we are going to upload the pink ombre. And with one click of a button, we take out this white background, and it's now a transparent background. And we have our jaggedy edges. And I mean, guys, you can pick whatever shape you want to use. This one just works well and for what I just did. And I thought it was so cool. Okay, so we're going to save the image, save as a PNG, throws it down here into the bottom left-hand corner. We're going to click on it. And then we need to file, save as, and then we'll just do okay, so now we have saved this transparent background image, and we are going to hop back over here to iPicky.com, and we don't need this anymore. Okay, so we can actually just click, we're going to click new, and we're going to discard this because we already have that saved. And I'm basically just going to make a template here. Okay, I'm going to type some text. I'm just going to type Ombre, and then we're going to change our font. Okay, and then now I'm going to make this bigger. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to cover the top right here a little bit with the blue. Okay. And then we are going to click lighten. And then now we're going to upload that image that we just made of the PNG, and it's a transparent background. And now we need to cover the rest of this image, and you can kind of play around with this until it's fully covered. Okay, and then you want to click here and you want to click lighten. Now I do want to mention you want to put this layer last. The jaggedy edge is what you want to put last. And the reason why is if you do the straight edge first, it's going to be a straight line. So when we click on this and we click lighten, well, look there. We have ombre text. I absolutely love this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.